Hey guys, Zdenek from PitchGround here, and here we are at the snapshot page in LetConvert. And in this video, I'll show you the main navigation. I'll show you some of the functions, and I'll also show you how to get the support or to knowledge base. And then in the next video, we'll be going over setting it up and connecting your first campaign. Okay, so let's start. Right now we are on a snapshot page, which is like your dashboard / summary, where you can see the amount of your total campaigns, the amount of active campaigns, the amount of visitors you engaged, and the amount of records tracked. In this tool, records are the leads you get by using one of these tools. So let's start. On the left, you have the main navigation menu. So you have the snapshot, the campaigns, which shows all of your campaigns. You can have active, archived, and drafts. Then you have reviews, which are your user reviews you can show to your visitors as well. Then you have review pools, which is like a group of reviews you can use for different products, different pools. And then you have some sources so you can automate the income of user reviews. And then the next one is records, and there you will have all your leads captured using LetConvert. So you can always download it by export it, and you can go through it here and do anything we want with it. Then next one is library, which is basically all of your images you want to use in your campaigns. You can upload them here, so you don't need to upload them all over again. And you also have option to search for GIFs if you want to use GIFs, or you can also use different icons inside your campaigns. The last one is settings, and here you have the main account settings. You can also have the option to integrate LetConvert with some other software. So, for example, most of the main or the biggest autoresponders for email, and also some other SaaS products. Okay, next one is Pixel, and this is really important. We will be going over in the next video, and this is basically the little snippet of code you need to install on your website if you want to use LetConvert. So this thanks to this little code, it will all work. We'll go over the installation in the next video, and for now let's just go into Verify Pixel, which is a tool that helps you make sure that the pixel is working correctly on your website. This is really helpful. And then the last thing is translation. And for example, if you have customers who are not speaking English, you can easily create a new translation set where you can easily change any of the original texts in English into your language or the language of your customers. Okay, that's really helpful and really useful if you have customers outside of English-speaking countries. Okay, that's it for settings. The next thing is on the right upper corner. You have the account settings. So you can see your plan, you can see your profile settings, billing. You can visit a Facebook group for LetConvert users, and you can also add accounts, manage accounts, etc. And there we have a little info button in here, and if you tap on that, you can either submit a ticket or you can visit a knowledge base, so you can learn about how to use LetConvert the best way, or how to explore one of its functions. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be going over creating your first campaign, as well as setting it all up so it works seamlessly on your website. And see you there.